you're here because you want to know why your child has bad hair, nappy hair, not good hair, and why my child has good hair. Let me answer that question for you because I'm sure that's why you clicked on the title. Because you just want to know so bad, how did my daughter get such good hair? How can we make your child have good hair too? Beautiful, luxurious, easy to manage, nice, soft, moisturized, curly, beautiful, good hair, right? You see these videos, you see these pictures. So let me answer that question for you and help you out on how to have good hair for your child. Here's the answer to that. This is the reality. First and foremost, this is my daughter Savannah's hair. Do you see it? Yeah, shrinkage is real. It's also very coarse at times. It's difficult to manage at times. But I don't believe in the ignorant concept that a different grade of hair makes it good hair. So what you first need to do as a parent, caretaker, or caregiver is get that concept out of your mind that good hair looks a certain way, or good hair is this and good hair is that. Throw that out of your mind. It's toxic, okay? It is very, very toxic, especially for African American young girls. Please change your way of thinking and get more in the mindset of healthy hair, how to manage your child's hair. Once you understand your child's hair and you understand what products work in your child's hair, what products to stay away from, what you need to have ready to put in their hair, that's when it will become healthy. That's what's going to allow it to grow. That is what's going to make it great, manageable hair. So get rid of this whole ignorant good hair, bad hair. That is ridiculous. Now let's get back to what really matters. This is my daughter's hair. As you can see, Savannah sweats in her hair a lot. She's been like that since birth. If you've been following our journey and this channel for a while, then you know from the moment she was 4 weeks old all the way until her age now, I committed to putting the right products in her hair to make her hair more manageable and to help it to grow to its greatest ability. That's what you see here. Boom. This is where we're at. Some good products when it helps to detangling your child's hair if it's dry, dull, and brittle, as the bottle says, is this product by Carol's Daughter, and also a conditioning detangler that helps soften your child's curls by Can 2. Those are two really great products when you're dealing with your child's hair if you find that it's becoming drier than usual. So just to show you, using the right products can help to bring out your child's natural curl pattern and to help you as a parent be able to manage it at its best. As you can see, her hair is pretty much even all the way around, to the back, to the sides, and to the front. And she's happy. So after I detangle her hair, I generally just go ahead and I wash it. And this is important too. If you want to get your child's hair to be to the point where it's easier to manage and it's at its healthiest, understand how often you need to be washing it and use the right products. Usually I will add aloe vera. This is one of the best ingredients ever for your child's hair. You can start to put this in your child's hair around 4 weeks. Of course, consult with a pediatrician if you want a professional's opinion. I'm just telling you what worked for me, guys. I would apply aloe vera to her hair. I also would use aloe vera hair strengthening growth serum, as well as authentic, keyword authentic, Jamaican black castor oil. Both of these items can be bought in the description box below at the link if you want to know how to get your hands on that. Also, I use the satin bonnet in her hair, and I started doing that from the point she came home from the hospital all the way until now. You can also use those hair growth products I just mentioned in your own hair. As you can see, I've chopped my hair off. It grows right back using those products. Also, do not be fooled. Do you see that little thinning area there when Savannah was a baby in her hair, that little bald spot? A lot of babies and young children end up having thinning and bald spots for a variety of reasons. Even when you do your best on their hair care journey, that doesn't mean you can't fix it. This is how I fixed it. Again, I used authentic Jamaican black castor oil, the aloe vera, to help with hair growth. And look, her hair flourished. It's still flourishing. So let me show you what I do for regular maintenance. I wash her hair, something that's really important too if you want to make your child's hair more manageable. You have to come up with a hair washing routine. and using the right products. So I use shampoos that have no sulfates in them. I use shampoos that cater to dry hair, or it'll say stuff like for brittle hair or to make hair more moisturized. Look for those kind of shampoos. I mostly use adult-like shampoos in her hair at this point because of how thick it is and how much hair she has. She's kind of outgrown the traditional children's hair shampoo. A really good one that I've been promoting by choice since she was a baby is the one by Shea Moisture. The baby argan oil and chamomile shampoo for a long time was a great go-to. As her hair got longer, thicker, I had to up it to shampoos that were catered to her style of hair. So pay attention to your child's hair needs. After you wash it, it should look very much revived. And at this point, I only wash Savannah's hair about once a month, and that's what works for us. And I put it in protective styles. As you can see right now, I'm actually about to put it into a style because at the time we did this video, she was scheduled to be a flower girl in a wedding. So I had to prep her hair, which took a little bit of time in order to get it ready for an updo style ponytail that I ended up doing. But anyway, as you see me prepping her hair for her flower girl hairstyle, I'm just going to talk a little bit more about some key points. Hopefully by now you realize the whole concept of this video, which is for you to get rid of that narrative about good hair, good hair, good hair. It's absolutely ridiculous in my opinion. You have your own opinion and you're entitled to it. But I think it's very toxic and poisonous to have that mentality of walking around or thinking that your child needs quote unquote good hair or has good hair. Okay. Or if you want to adopt that concept of good hair, how about we say this? Every child's grain of hair is good hair because they were blessed to have hair. How about that? I like that narrative better. Hopefully you do too. Just to let you know, as I'm slicking up her ponytail for the style, I'm using Eco Styler gel. I'm using the one that has Jamaican black castor oil in it. I believe the clear one. And it's marked with Jamaican black castor oil. I like that one. I like the hold on it. And it helps bring out her curls at the top of her hair, her curl pattern. That's the same thing I'm also using to do her baby hairs, as you see here. I'm just going to use that little, I call it the baby hair brush. You can get it from the beauty supply store. I'm using that to do her baby hairs. That gel actually gives her the best hold. For whatever reason, you know, the black gel that a lot of people use, it really doesn't do well in Savannah's hair. So I just stick to the Eco Styler gel. At this point, also when smoothing out her ponytails and styles that I do for her hair, that gel again seems to give the best hold for her grain of hair. All right, guys, I'm going to finish up these baby hairs and I'll be back. You ever notice with baby hairs, even after you do it, it's just, you will keep going back in and back and trying to perfect it. I am no means the queen of doing baby hairs, but I do what I can with Savannah. I think it's so cute when you add it to the little girls' hairstyles. So shout out to the looks with the baby hairs. Voila, she's pretty much done with her flower girl ponytail. Ready to go. I'm just going to lay it down with a scarf until it's time for her to leave for the wedding. But yeah, so I added a little crown because she was a cute little flower girl. And this look was real cute and simple. This is also something you can do if you have, like, I don't know, pictures that you want to do for your child. Just slick that hair back and straighten it out, and bam, you'll have a nice little ponytail that you can do. This is the final look, flower girl. Very nice, very nice. And it lasted all day. Definitely not something I would say to do for long term. Clearly, a little clip of me because I barely show myself. This is me and baby girl Savannah at the wedding. My son London was in the background somewhere doing his activities as an usher. Hope you enjoyed the video, and remember, all hair is beautiful hair and it can become manageable with the right products. So get that concept out your head about my baby has good hair. What are you talking about? Everybody has good hair. God bless and take care.